Adam's journey from poverty to prestige. Adam was born in a small village on the outskirts of a bustling city. His family was poor, struggling to afford even the basic necessities of life. His father worked as a laborer on construction sites, while his mother sewed clothes to earn a little extra income. Despite their hardships, they always encouraged Adam to study hard and dream big. As a child, Adam was fascinated by the tall buildings in the city. Whenever he visited with his father, he would stand in awe, staring up at the towering structures. He imagined how they were built and who designed them. His father, noticing his son's curiosity, once said, "An architect is the one who designs these buildings. It is a great job, but it requires a lot of studying and hard work." From that day on, Adam had one goal: to become an architect. However, his journey would not be easy. Adam attended a small, overcrowded school in his village. There were not enough books, and sometimes the students had to share one textbook between 5 or 6 classmates. Electricity was unreliable, making it difficult for him to study at night. But Adam was determined. He used candles and oil lamps to read his books. He borrowed extra materials from a nearby library and studied whenever he had free time. Despite his intelligence and hard work, financial problems always loomed over him. His parents could not afford higher education, and Adam knew that without a scholarship, his dream would remain just that, a dream. So, he worked tirelessly, excelling in mathematics and science. His dedication caught the attention of one of his teachers, Mr. Omar, who decided to help him apply for scholarships. After months of preparation, Adam applied for a prestigious scholarship at a well-known university in the city. The competition was tough, with hundreds of students applying. When the results were announced, Adam could hardly believe his eyes. He had been selected. With tears in their eyes, his parents hugged him. "We always knew you could do it, son," his mother whispered. The scholarship covered tuition fees, accommodation, and books, allowing Adam to focus entirely on his studies. University life was a new challenge. The city was overwhelming, and Adam felt like a small fish in a vast ocean. His classmates came from wealthy backgrounds, had the best resources, and were well prepared. Adam, on the other hand, struggled at first. He lacked the latest technology, and his English was not as fluent as others. But he refused to give up. He spent extra hours in the library, attended additional lectures, and even found a part-time job as an assistant to a local architect. His passion for architecture grew stronger as he learned more about design, construction, and sustainability. His professors noticed his dedication and started mentoring him. During his final year, Adam entered a national architecture competition. The challenge was to design an affordable, eco-friendly housing project for low-income families. Inspired by his own struggles, Adam designed a sustainable, cost-effective housing solution that used recycled materials and solar energy. When the results were announced, Adam won first place. His design was praised for its innovation and practicality. The prize included a cash reward and an internship at one of the most prestigious architectural firms in the country. At the firm, Adam worked harder than ever. His background gave him a unique perspective. He understood the needs of ordinary people. He focused on designing buildings that were not just aesthetically pleasing, but also functional and affordable. Years passed, and Adam gained experience. His reputation grew, and soon he was offered opportunities to work on major projects, but he never forgot his roots. He started a program to mentor underprivileged students who wanted to pursue architecture, just as his teacher had once helped him. One day, Adam received a call from a government agency. They wanted him to lead a project to design a new housing complex for low-income families, exactly what he had dreamed of. With tears in his eyes, he looked at the blueprint on his desk and whispered, "This is for you, Mom and Dad." His parents, now old but proud, attended the inauguration of the first completed housing project. As Adam stood in front of the newly built homes, he realized that he had come full circle. He was no longer the poor boy from the village. He was now a renowned architect, changing lives through his designs. His story became an inspiration for many. And as he looked at the bright-eyed children running around their new homes, he knew that dreams, no matter how distant, could become reality with determination, hard work, and the right opportunities.